Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn about some more capabilities of our AI enemy. I just have added one more component on our enemy, and that is head track. Inside head track, you can see a lot of options here, and here you can see that we have a transform component, and inside transform we have hips. If you want to add custom hips point, you can add that. Also you can add head game object for debugging purpose. If we go to settings, and we also have events as well. If we go to settings, we can check this can look. I just have checked this, and he will look around. Also we can check this option, which is here, look around, use look around. So we have to check this to make it look around. So this is very nice feature. Here we have a main look target and eyes, and in eyes actually we can just add the similar eyes which we have added for detection. So if we select eyes here, we can come to this place and we can just drag drop these eyes here. We can also do some more settings for smooth out the system, but for this video I think this is enough. These settings, the default one, are absolutely fine. So we can also increase the offset of spine as well. So if we click on play, then you will see that I just added some weight to waypoint 1, so he will stop on waypoint 1 and he will look around. Let's see. So now you can see he is in idle condition. He will move, and now you will see that he will stop and look around. So let's see, and actually he is not doing that because I think he is moving through random waypoints. I hope so. So let's select the waypoint area, and here if we check it out, actually random patrol point is not enabled. Then why it is like this? Okay, sorry. If we select the enemy in the waypoint settings, we have that settings here, and we will just uncheck the random waypoint and random starting point. So now he will stop on first waypoint, and then he will look around. Definitely we can use this technique for sniper shooters as well, and we will do some that related things. And now you can see that he stops, he look around, and then he will move. He will stop on second waypoint, and you can see he stops, and then he look around, and then he will move to third, and then he will stop and he will look around. You can see like this. Okay, so and you can change the angle of look around, and then it will react. Also if we hit him, you will see he will look around us and then he will run away. Okay, you can see, and then he will again move to its first waypoint as we have set up in FSM behavior. So now you have seen that head track is very nice feature in Invector. If we shoot him, he will look towards us. Actually, not at this time, he didn't look to us. Anyhow, yeah, because we didn't have added the behavior of look around, look back to us on hit and making damage. So if we go to FSM behavior, and if you select any state, you can see check damage, and here is an option look to damage sender. Okay, so this is important. So let's select this one, and now hopefully he will look towards us before running. So let's see what will happen. So now if we shoot him, actually if we move it towards its back, and then if we shoot him, he will look us. Yeah, you can see he is looking us, and then he will run away. Again, if we do the same thing, he will look towards us. Yeah, you can see he is looking, and then he ran away. Okay, so this is very nice feature in Invector for head tracks. Definitely you can add specific decisions, and actually we should have a head track action, I think. So here if we detection layer and we look to target, yeah, you can see look to target and look around. So these two actions are related to that head track component. So if for example if we add some action here, so let's add the action look around, and then if we move to idle, and here if we add this action as well, then what he will do, he will make a look around in the beginning when he will be in idle position. So you will see, yeah, you can see he is looking around, and then he will move, then he will again look around. Yeah, so now he will move to waypoint 1, 2, 3, so on. So you can see that how beautiful is the AI AI head track functionality. In next video we will learn some more things. Also don't be bored with these videos, because before finalizing the project, because I want to create a complete level like IGI. So before creating some game like that, we should know that how FSM works. So that's why I'm sharing these videos and sections with you. So hopefully after 2-3 videos we will start making our game. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.